Hi and welcome to Little Hatchling's art lessons. Today we're going to be drawing a kitten on a pumpkin wearing what?
A hat.
What kind of hat?
A witch hat.
Because which holiday is coming up?
Halloween.
Yeah.
So we're going for an angle kind of like this for a witch's hat. And so we don't want it to be like that. We want it to be like this because it's a lopsided hat. So we're gonna look at what I do first and then you can do it. Go up and then down. Yep, and then it angles back down.
It almost looks like a smile.
Yeah.
Curvy smile.
All right, and then we're gonna make a little ribbon. Watch me first. Here and here, and then connect them. And then the top of the hat goes up, and then it flops over. And then the bottom goes up, and then it flops over too. And then it comes down and out, and down and out, and connects. All right, and then this is a curved line down. And then this line curves over and up. So that's your witch's hat. And I'm just gonna fix my ribbon a little bit. It's not quite how I like it. So the kitty, the ear meets up with the hat right here. So that's the top of the kitty's ear. Yeah, it's kind of just a curved line. And then the top of the kitty's head is over here. Okay, and then we bring this line down. And then inside, there's just like a little line. And then we have some tufts of hair, and that's the bottom of the ear. Good. Okay, so now the side of the cat's face comes out and then down, and then there's some little tufts of hair over there. All right, so now we're gonna draw two paws, but before you draw them, we want them to be one really close to the hat and the other just slightly to the right of the ear. Oh, that's a good idea. Okay, and so we make a little arch where those two paws are gonna be.
They look like tiny eyes.
But they're not, they're the paws. Good. So you can draw just three, you can draw three little toes and then bring that middle toe up a little bit. So yeah, three little toes, and then the middle toe, you draw the lines. All right, so those are our two paws. All right, looks good. Okay, so now the side of the cat's face comes out right here, and the hat obscures. That means makes it so you can't see the rest of the cat's face. Yes, it always looks good to kind of rework your lines and thicken them up if you are doing a cartoon. So we're not gonna worry about the bottom of the kitten's face right here, because that is gonna be the top of the pumpkin, yeah. But right now we are gonna draw the kitten's eye. Now the kitten has a really big eye. The kitten has a really big eye, and you want it close to the hat. So we want it just right close to the hat, but not right under the ear. So watch me first. There's a big circle. I would do it even bigger than that. I would make it even bigger, okay? See how big mine is? I would make yours even bigger. Very good. So now we're gonna leave a sliver on the side. So you've kind of already got a sliver, so now you just need to bring it over there. You're doing good. Mm-hmm.
Oh, I get it.
Yep. And then you can leave a highlight over here somewhere. And then just fill in the rest black.
That may go on.
Ooh, that's cute. I like yours. Yours looks so good. Oh, you gave her kitten lashes. That's cute. Okay, so now we're gonna draw the nose, which is kind of just like a little triangle. You can make it a curvy triangle, make it extra cute. And then try to use the tip of your marker to just draw a thin line down. Very cute. And then you can draw a little smile. And our smiles look different from each other, but they're both good smiles. Okay, time to do, oh, that's cute. I love that. Now it's time to do the top of the pumpkin. So first, we're gonna, watch me. We're gonna go out, watch me, and then down, and then over, and then stop. Cool, yours is a big pumpkin. That's cool. And then from the paw, we're gonna angle down and then just stop. Cute. And then from down below, we're gonna think about those lines connecting, but wait, okay, they're not actually gonna connect. We're gonna just look, we're gonna skip, 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 and then start drawing, and then over. Good. Okay, so now the middle part of the pumpkin, we're actually gonna make kind of like a rainbow. So watch me first. We're gonna go up, over, and then down. And that's just kind of right in between her paws. Can you do that?
It's like their paws, her paws are holding the rainbow.
Right. And then we're gonna make a opposite rainbow below, but not a rainbow, it would be a U, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I like your tall pumpkin. That's cool. Okay.
It's like it's stuck inside the pumpkin.
Yeah, it's like it's standing in there. Okay. Oh, we need to draw the kitty's tail. So if you want your kitty inside the pumpkin, you don't have to do a tail. But my kitty's just sitting on top of the pumpkin. So I'm gonna draw a little kitty tail
I'm going to.
hanging down.
The pumpkin is a hard part.
Yeah, the pumpkin can be hard. All right, and then we're gonna make another part of the pumpkin right here, curving down and then stopping at the tail. Okay, and then from below, we're gonna angle over and then up and then stop. Okay, and then the last part of the pumpkin, I'm gonna have to do 2 more parts of my pumpkin.
Am I going to?
It's up to you. I'm gonna go down
Yeah, I think I should.
and then up. I didn't mean to make mine so boxy. I'm work on that line. Okay, and then my last line meets up with the hat. Do you see that? You want it to meet up with the bottom of the hat and then angle over and down. So right here, come out and then down. No, out, right? See the edge of the hat? So have the hat be the edge of the pumpkin. And then angle down. And this one we do all the way.
Or else the pumpkin would be split in half.
Yeah. Okay, so now we're done drawing. I'm just gonna thicken up some of my pumpkin lines. You want them thicker up here and then taper. That means get thinner as it goes down. And you can thicken up your lines too. Try to make them more smooth. I'm drawing some like rough kind of lines right here where it starts disappearing. That looks kind of cool. But you don't have to. I'm just doing it to be artistic. And this part of the hat's in shadow, so I'm gonna go ahead and do some little shadow marks. You don't have to. You can just...
I'm going to go with gray.
Okay. Should I add eyelashes to my kitten too?
Because I think it would look better as a girl.
Oh, that is cute. I like that. Oh, we could give our kitten little
Freckles?
if you want. Yours is cute without it. Oh, you've got cute. All right.
Lots of eyelashes.
All right. Should we start coloring? All right. So we just finished coloring, and we used Prismacolors, and so we were able to shade and blend with those a little better than you can with regular colored pencils. I also used an eraser to give some highlights into the hat and the pumpkin, and I had drawn the cat darker, and I just didn't like it because you couldn't see the features very well. So instead of it being a dark black cat, I erased a little bit of the black, so it's a gray.
And what type of eraser is that?
This is a Scholar eraser. It came in a kit from Walmart. But you could also use a kneaded eraser. What you call them, gummy erasers at school?
Yeah.
Yeah. So a kneaded eraser or a gummy eraser, or this one's pretty good too. It's just a wedge. And on hers, she drew a sky, a dark sky, and I like that.
Because Halloween is kind of at night.
Yeah. And so you can like create a background on yours if you want. Have fun with your coloring. You can pause it if you want to look at ours for longer. And
I did a little stem.
yeah, you did a little stem and a little mouse.
We hope you had so much fun drawing that cute kitty with us, and we hope you have a happy
Halloween.
Yep, happy Halloween. Bye.